Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm going to come in at you with a card share video. I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag sadmoremakes. 2crafters1design is Melissa with Mo Creations, Lisa with You See I'm a Diva, and Gloria with Girlier's Cards. Hashtag sadmoremakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. Jill asks you to create designs and share your creations on Saturday morning each week. And for 2crafters1design, they give you a prompt each week and ask you to share your creations on Saturday. So this week's prompt was Christmas in July. So I happen to be making some Christmas cards, trying to be a little proactive and be a little early. I've never done this before, so I'm super proud that I'm even attempting to make some Christmas cards early and not wait until November and start creating my Christmas cards. So let me share with you what I used. So I purchased this set, I believe last year, maybe. It was from Rosie Studio, and it's the Peppermint Twist. It had a 6x6 paper pad. Now the Rosie Studio 6x6 paper pads, they're not as thick of paper as that I'm used to using when crafting, but the paper is super cute. And then I used these candy embellishments, and they match the set, Peppermint Swiss. And then I used the embellishments. Now my embellishments are all in a little tray, and I just thought I'd show you the back of the packaging. Super cute embellishments. I'm not sure how I'm going to use the color wheel, but it's adorable. Love this set. It's so girly, with the pink colors. And then they have the embellishments. These are chipboards, and it's two-sided. You see some of them, a few of them missing. Really pretty. But let me share with you a couple of cards that I have. So the first one is this cute little design, and it has this little embellishment that says, "Christmas is coming. It's the most wonderful time." Isn't that really cute? And then I'm using my dies, I don't know what you call them, the essential dies, or I can't think of the word. And I think this, I don't know which one this is, etched rectangle dies, I think, from Spellbinders. And then here's the second little card. Isn't that cute? And I think this is maybe fanciful ovals, maybe. But then you see the little embellishments I have there. So these are the two cards I want to share. Now stay tuned to my channel, because I will be sharing more of these cards from this collection. These are the cards that I'm making for my coworkers this year. I still haven't started on the cards for family and friends, but these are for my coworker friends, and I just wanted to share a couple of them. But I will have another video with all the cards that I'll make. And once again, this is joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag sadmoremakes. So let me know what you think below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.